Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we have discussed the operation on matrices or addition, subtraction. Let us today discuss multiplication of matrix. Let us take an example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 of order 2 cross 2 and B is equal to 3, 2, 4, 3 of order 2 cross 2. Find AB. Find AB. So AB means we have to find A into B. In addition, we are going to add the corresponding elements. But in multiplication, it is different from the addition. So here, first row should be multiplied with first column. So this is the first row should be multiplied with first column. First row should be multiplied with the first column. Then first row should be multiplied with the second column. Then second row should be multiplied with the first column. Then second row should be multiplied with the second column. So this is very important multiplication of the matrices. So let us multiply A into B. First row, then first column. In the first row and the first column, first element, you have to multiply 1 into 3. 1 into 3, then plus again the first row 2 is the second element and the first column second element is 4. 2 into 4. Here I have written the plus, then 2 into 4. So we have completed the first row and the first column. Let us go for the second. First row and the second column. First row, second column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then next second row, first column. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. Then second row, second row, second column, second row, second column. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. So 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 into 4 is 8. Then 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. And in the second row, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12. And add this, 3 plus 2 is 11 and 2 plus 6 is 8, 9 plus 16 is 25, 6 plus 12 is 18. So we got the AB. We got the AB. So multiplication of the matrices. Let us write the definition. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable for the product of AB if A is equal to Aij is of the order m cross n and B is equal to Bij is of the order n cross p, then the resulting matrix AB is of the order m cross p and AB is equal to Cij. What we got AB, that is called as an Cij. So we got the what we got in the form of m cross p. So this is the multiplication of the matrix. Now let us discuss the properties of multiplication. The first property, associative law under multiplication. A matrix multiplication is associative, that is A of BC is equal to AB of C, where ABC are any m cross n, comma n cross p and p cross q matrices respectively. So associative law says that A of BC is equal to AB of C. Let us take the example of three matrices, then let us solve the associative property, or let us prove the associative property. If A is equal to a matrix 5 2 0 1 of order 2 cross 2, B is equal to 2 3 4 1 of order 2 cross 2, C is equal to minus 1 2 7 6. Find A of BC is equal to AB of C. So let us take A, B and C. So let us find the first A of BC. Let us find the first A of BC. In that A of BC, I have taken the BC. B is 2, 3, 4, 1. C is minus 1, 2, 7, 6. Let us multiply the both matrices. We know the condition, first row should be multiplied with first column. First row should be multiplied with second column. Then second row should be multiplied with first column. Second row should be multiplied with second column. So 2 into minus 1, then 3 into 7, then 2 into 2, 3 into 6, 4 into minus 1, 1 into 7, 4 into 2, 1 into 6. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus 3 into 7 is 21, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 3 6 are 18. Next row, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, plus 1 into 7 is 7. 4 into 2 is 8, plus 1 into 6 is 6. If you add this one, minus 2 plus 21 is 19, 4 plus 18 is 22, minus 4 plus 7 is 3, 8 plus 6 is 14. So we got the value of BC. BC is multiplied with A. If you multiply BC with A of BC, I have written the value of A, then BC value. Let us multiply the first row, first column, first row, second column, then second row, first column, then second row, second column. 5 into 19, then 2 into 3, 5 into 22, 2 into 14, 0 into 19, then 1 into 3, 0 into 22, then 1 into 14. So 5 into 19. 5 into 19 is 95. 2 into 3 is 6. Then 5 into 22 is 110. Plus 2 into 14 is 28. 0 into 19 is 0. Then 1 into 3 is 3. Then 22 into 0 into 22 is 0. 1 into 14 is 14. If you add this one, 95 plus 6 is 101. 138. Then 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 14 is 14. Let us consider as an 1. So let us solve the next AB of C. In this AB of C, let us find the AB first. Let us take the matrices A and B. A is 5 2 0 1, B is 2 3 4 1. Same procedure, we have to multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. So 5 into 2 plus 2 into 4, 5 into 3 plus 2 into 1, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4, 0 into 3 plus 1 into 1. So 5 into 2 is 10, then plus 2 into 4 is 8, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 0 into 2 is 0, plus 1 into 4 is 4, 0 into 3 is 0, then 1 into 1 is 1. 10 plus 8 is 18, 15 plus 2 is 17, then 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 4. We got the AB. Let us multiply AB with C. We have taken the AB. AB is 18, 17, 4, 1. The C is minus 1, 2, 7, 6. If you multiply, see in the same procedure, first row should be multiplied with first column, first row should be multiplied with second column, second row should be multiplied with first column, and second row should be multiplied with second column. So 18 into minus 1 is 18 into minus 1, 17 into 7, and 18 into 2, then 17 into 17 into 6. 4 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7, 4 into 2 plus 1 into 6. So 18 into minus 1 is minus 18, 17 into 7 is 119, then 18 into 2 is 36, 17 6 is 102, 4 into minus 1 is 4, 1 into 7 is 7, 4 2s are 8, then 1 into 6 is 6. If you add this one, minus 18 plus 19 is 101, 36 plus 102 is 138, minus 4 plus 7 is 3, 18 plus 6 is 14. From 1 and 2, A of BC is equal to AB of C. So associative here satisfies. Okay, let us go for the next property, distributive law. Distributive law in multiplication. Multiplication of matrices is distributive with respect to addition of matrices, that is A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the distributive law under multiplication and addition, where ABC are any M cross N, N cross P, P cross Q matrices respectively. So let us consider the previous example. A is equal to 5 2 0 1, B is equal to 2 3 4 1, and C is equal to minus 1 2 7 6. Find A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So you should solve this as an assignment question, then prove the distributive property. Let us go for the next property, the existence of multiplication identity. Existence of multiplication identity. So existence of multiplication identity means you have to take a square matrix. For that square matrix, you have to multiply with identity matrix. You are getting the same matrix, that is called as an existence of multiplication of identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of order such that I is an identity matrix and A is a matrix. Then we are getting the A. If you multiply A with identity matrix, again you are getting the A. Let us take an example. If A is equal to 1 2 3 4, find IA is equal to AI is equal to A. So A is equal to 1 2 3 4. I means identity matrix of order 2 cross 2 1 0 0 1. Then multiply identity matrix into A. You know the multiplication of the two matrices. First row should be multiplied with first column, first row should be multiplied with second column, then first row should be second row should be multiplied with first column, second row should be multiplied with second column. So we have multiplied here, then we got 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 0 plus 1, then 0 plus 4. Then if you add, we are getting the A. IA is nothing but the A. Same thing we have to do. A should be multiplied with identity matrix. If you multiply A with identity matrix, again you are getting A. This is the existence of multiplication of matrices. Okay, let us go for the problems on addition and subtraction of matrices. Let us take the first problem. If A is equal to 1 2 3 4, B is equal to minus 3 2 0 1, find A plus B and A minus B. So let us take the first, write the matrices. A is equal to 1 2 3 4, B is equal to minus 3 2 0 1. You have to find A plus B. Let us take the A plus B. First write A, then plus B. So we know the addition of matrix, how to add corresponding elements. 1 plus of minus 3 means 1 minus 3 means minus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the A plus B we got. Then next is A minus B. A minus B means you have to subtract A minus B. A is 1 2 3 4 minus B is minus 3 2 0 1. You can write extra step also. See here, 1 minus of minus 3, or you can add or subtract directly. Then 2 minus 2, 3 minus 4 0, 4 minus 1. This is an extra step. In the addition I had done directly. So here in the next step, minus into minus is plus, 1 plus 3, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, you are getting 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then if you add 4, 0, 3, 3. So this is the A minus B. Okay, let us go for the second problem. If A is equal to 2, 0, 0, 2 and B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, find 5A minus 6B. He has given A is 2, 0, 0, 2, B is 1, 0, 0, 1. You have to find 5A minus 6B. First, let us find the 5A value. 5 is constant, scalar multiple. Yesterday we have discussed the scalar multiple. K into A. K is a constant. Constant number should be multiplied. This is called as a scalar multiple. 5 into A, 2 into 0, 0, 2. Then if multiply with 5, A matrix, 5 2s are 10, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 2s are 10. This is the value of 5A we got. Let us find the value of 6B. 6 into B. 6 into B is 1, 0, 0, 1. If you multiply 6 into 1 is 6, 0, 0, 6. You got the value of 6B. Then now you have to find the 5A minus 6B. What is the value of 5A? 10, 0, 0, 10. And the value of 6B is 6, 0, 0, 6. If you subtract, what you will get? 10 minus 6 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is the value of 5A minus 6B. You can do easily addition and subtraction. So take the assignment problems on addition and subtraction. First problem, if A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 of order 3 cross 3 matrix, then B is equal to 0 minus 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 3, 2 minus 1 of order 3 cross 3 matrix. Find A plus B, A minus B, 2A plus B and A minus 3B. Second problem, if A is equal to 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 is a matrix and B 7, 6, 0, 0, 4, 1 of order 2 cross 3. Of order 2 cross 3, find A plus 1 by 2 into B. Third problem, if A matrix is of order 2 cross 3, 3, 5, 2, 4, 7, 6, then B minus 1, 2, 5, 4, 0, 3 of order 2 cross 3 and C is equal to 0, 3, 4, 9, 8 minus 7 of order 2 cross 3. Find 5A minus 6B plus 3C. How to find this one? Next, fourth problem, given A is equal to root 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0 and B is equal to 2 root 5, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 by 2, find A plus B. Fifth problem, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and B is equal to 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2, then find 2A minus B. Sixth one, let A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, B is equal to 1, 3 minus 2, 5, C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find each of the following. First one A plus B, then you have to find A minus B, then 3A minus C. So these are the assignment questions. You have to solve these problems.